Dear students of class 6, in previous video we have learned factor, multiple, common factor, common multiple, perfect numbers, right? In this video we will learn new things except these, and in next video I will solve problems. Some examples I will take related to the previous video related to the factors multiple, common factor, common multiple and perfect number. These one we will do. Now today we are starting a new topic of the same chapter, right? And the new topic is type of numbers. Okay, topic is types of numbers. In type of numbers, basically we have two types of number. How many type? Two types of number we have. One is even number and one is odd number. So first one is we have even number. Even number, and the second one we have odd number. Right? Now see first one is even. What are even number? Even numbers are basically, where you have learned in previous classes also, that even number are identified with if they are divisible by 2, right? In previous classes you have learned even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 0 will come with something, some numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, like 10, 12. These all are even numbers. Okay, means a number in which unit digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. One is 0. If there is any number at unit place, that number is even number, like 2, 4, 3. This is even number. Like 3, 9, 8, 2, 4, 8. This is even number. 3, 9, 8. This is even number. 222. This is even number. Here 8 is coming. Here 2 is coming. 3, 9, 6. This is even number. Here 6 is coming. Right? Means all number in which unit place is 1. And with that, in definition we can say a number which is exactly divisible divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2. Exactly means when we will divide by 2, the remainder will be 0. Like I have a number, suppose number is 16. When you will divide by 2, 2 8 ja 16 and remainder is 0. Means any number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. So all numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers, right? Second point is odd numbers, right? Odd numbers are which are not divisible. Sometimes some are saying number divisible by 3, not divisible by 3. Second is odd numbers, right? A number which is not divisible by 2 completely means remainder should not come 0. If remainder is not is written, if remainder is not 0, it means that is odd number. If remainder is 0, that is even number. Or in other word, a number in which unit place is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If any one number out of these is coming at unit place of the number, that number is called odd number. For example, 2, 3, 1, this is odd number. 9, 8, 3, this is odd number. 87, this is odd number. 25, this is odd number. So these all are odd numbers, right? These are the definition of even and odd number. The next topic is prime number. Number 2. This was the type of number. Now third one is prime. Prime number. What are prime number? Prime numbers are, see, a simple definition of the prime number is a number which is exactly divisible by 1 and number itself. Now see here and try to understand it carefully. A number which is divisible by 1 and, here and is written, and number itself. एक नंबर जो खुद से और 1 से डिविजिबल होता, and okay, that number is called prime number. Other definition itself is called is prime number. Okay, second definition we can write here: a number having exactly two factor only. Two factors only. Exactly two factor. Not more than two, not less than two. Only two factors are there. That number is called prime number. Right? Now example for the same prime number example are: 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number, after 7 11 is prime number, 13 is prime number, and so many prime numbers are there. How they are prime number? See, as in previous video we have learned factors. So find the factor of 2. How many? It is written here exactly two factors only. Two factor. How many factors are there? 2 multiplied by 1, right? 2, 1 and 2. Two factors are there. For 3, 3 multiplied by 1. Two factors are there only. For 5, 5 multiplied by 1. Two factor only. For 7, 7 multiplied by 1. Two factor only. Like this, these all are prime number. Right? These all are prime number. Next, in prime number, some factors are there, key factor, that which are prime number. Always remember, there are infinity number of prime numbers are there. Infinity number of prime number in the world. Right? Again, I am taking some example of prime number. Examples of prime number. Prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, 17, and so many are there. Right? Now see, a number we have taken 6. and factor of 6 are 2, 3, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 1. 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 1 2 3 factors are there. It is not prime. This is not prime. A number is 10. Factors are 1 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 1 2 3 factors are there. This is also not prime number. Right? Now see one number, that is 1. 1 is prime or not? 1 is prime or not? 1 is not prime. See, the factor of 1 is 1 multiplied by 1. It means the number is divisible by itself and 1. Yes, this is divisible by itself and 1 also. But according to second definition, a number having exactly 2 factors, and here this one factor only 1 we have. So this is not prime. Right? This is also not prime number. Right? Rest are prime number having 2 factor only. Next keyword or key factor is 2 is the smallest even prime, and 2 is only the number which is a even prime number, and smallest also. Smallest prime number is 2, and that is only the even. Rest all prime numbers are odd numbers. And just before we have learned the definition of odd number also. Right? Got it? These are the prime numbers. Now next definition, odd number. Not odd, composite number. Composite numbers. Now composite numbers are if a number having factor more than 2. Right? Here 2 factors are there. So a number having more than 2 factor. More than 2 factors are called numbers कर देता हूँ इसको, are called composite numbers. Right? Like for example, composite number are like 4 is composite number, 8 is composite number, 6 composite. As we have taken example also of the same, that 6 is a composite number. If it is not prime, then it is composite. But 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is not having more than 2 factor. It is not having exactly 2 factor. It is having less than 2 factor. Okay, this is only the number having less than 2 factors. 4, 8, 6, so many are there. See, 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 3 factors are there. So this is composite. Right? Similarly 8. Similarly here 8 also we will see. 8 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 1. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 1 is 8. 1 2 3 4 factors are there. Right? Similarly 10 also we can take. 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 1. There 3 factors are there. This is also composite number. Any number which is not prime are composite except 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So these are the prime number, composite number, even number and odd numbers. Okay. Now after this, in next video we will solve the problem related to the factors. Okay. Related to the factor we will solve, and after that we will learn divisibility rule of the numbers. So if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you.